Yes, there is a camera in the bathroom. Both. So there are 2 bathrooms. Dati kasi one was toilet, one was bath. Ngayon, both have toilet and bath para mas madaming nakakagamit. May camera, but for security purposes siya. So hindi siya yung camera like nakikita mo sa house na nakaka-close up, super clear. Para lang siyang lipstick camera. Parang CCTV. Tapos ang placement niya ay, kunyari ito yung toilet. Nandito. So when you're in the toilet, technically ang kita is here lang and the rest of the bathroom.
So for safety lang siya.
For safety siya kasi in the earlier seasons, nung hindi pa masyadong gamit ng tao kung ano yung PBB, doon sila pupunta sa banyo to connive, mag-uusap, ganyan. Or when things get heated, like I believe sa season namin merong nangyaring ganon and in I think season 3, pag medyo sobrang high ng emotion ng isang tao, magbabanyo. So the bathroom also doesn't have a lock. The bathroom only has a occupied and vacant. Kasi hindi pwede mag-lock kasi you might do something inside na
hindi pwede.
harm. So kaya may camera para if something happens, rinig namin, ng master control room at nakikita. Yun.
Saan yun? Laging may nakabantay sa cameras?
So, meron kaming tinatawag na MCR. It's like the master control room. Nandun lahat ng monitor.
Oh my
Siya yung parang if you see
Sa
us
Squid Game.
Oh my God. If you see us doing spills, ganon. Daming screen all over the house. Yung banyo screen is maliit lang. Tapos, ang ginawa in the past few years, naka-cover siya ng parang medyo translucent na paper.
Okay.
Para tatanggalin lang nila if like there's actually something happening. Otherwise, it's medyo covered. Oh.